Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be counting down 7 best motorcycles for beginner riders. Number 7. Kawasaki Z650RS. The Kawasaki Z650RS is not just any motorcycle. It's a machine that embodies the essence of the past and present, all wrapped up in one stylish package. It is a perfect blend of classic and modern, with an aesthetic that will make you feel like you've stepped back in time, but with all the benefits of modern technology. The Z650RS's engine is a testament to Kawasaki's commitment to excellence, delivering power that's more than enough to get your adrenaline pumping. This bike is a true masterpiece of performance, and it's built to conquer any terrain with ease. The Z650RS chassis is equally impressive, with a solid design that ensures stability and a smooth ride. This bike is not just a joy to ride, but it's also incredibly versatile, making it suitable for commuters, sport bike enthusiasts, sport tourers, or weekend runabouts. The Z650RS is a bike that's guaranteed to turn heads and make a statement wherever it goes. Number 6. Triumph Speed Twin 900. Picture this. You're cruising down the open road on a motorcycle that looks like it just stepped out of a vintage movie scene, but with all the modern-day performance and technology you could ask for. That's exactly what the Triumph Speed Twin 900 offers. With its updated 900 HP Bonneville engine delivering 64 horsepower and 59 feet-pounds of torque, you'll feel the power beneath you with every twist of the throttle. The Speed Twin 900 pays homage to the 1959 Bonneville spirit with its stripped back, custom classic style, and signature Triumph DNA, including knee indents, engine fins, and twin upswept silencers. And with its comfortable ride thanks to an accessible low seat height and excellent ergonomics, you'll be able to enjoy that style for miles on end. But what's truly remarkable about the Speed Twin 900 is its affordability. With price under $10,000, it's a great option for those who want a stylish and capable motorcycle without breaking the bank. But don't let the affordability fool you. This motorcycle is packed with high-specification technology to make your ride as safe and confident as possible. With road and rain riding modes, ABS, switchable traction control, torque assist clutch, and LED rear light, you'll feel in control no matter the road conditions. Number 5. Suzuki SV650X. The Suzuki SV650X is not just a motorcycle, it's a masterpiece of engineering that exudes performance and style in equal measures. The sleek trellis frame, combined with the powerful V-twin engine, makes for a nimble and agile ride that is a sheer delight to maneuver. But it's not just about the ride. The SV650X is a sight to behold. From its stylish headlight cowling to the metallic gold frame and black wheels, this bike is a visual treat that commands attention wherever it goes. The SV650X's stopping power is just as impressive as its acceleration, thanks to the large dual front disc brakes and a 240mm rear brake disc that provide incredible performance and control. The motorcycle's advanced rider technology, including Suzuki's Easy Start system, ensures that starting the bike is a breeze, and the trellis-style frame, constructed of high-strength steel tubes, not only adds to the bike's lightweight design, but also contributes to its trim and agile chassis. Overall, the Suzuki SV650X is a motorcycle that combines performance, style, and technology to create a truly exceptional riding experience. Number 4. Yamaha MT-07. Get ready for a thrilling ride on the Yamaha MT-07, a motorcycle that has captured the hearts of riders worldwide since its debut in 2015. This sporty machine boasts an aggressive naked style that oozes attitude and sleekness, making it a popular choice for riders of all levels. With a punchy parallel twin engine that has been refined for the new model, the Yamaha MT-07 packs a serious punch. It delivers excellent power throughout the rev range, making it perfect for city cruising, canyon carving, or anything in between. The engine's torquey nature allows riders to take on tight spots with ease, while the lightweight accessibility makes it highly maneuverable. The chassis is well matched to the motor, with an aggressive 24 degrees that make it a joy to ride. The 55-inch wheelbase adds to the bike's nimble handling, allowing riders to easily navigate through turns and curves. Despite its sporty nature, the Yamaha MT-07 is a highly versatile motorcycle that is suitable for riders of all sizes and skill levels. The neutral foot peg orientation and slightly bent knees provide a comfortable riding position, while the massive gas tank and wide handlebar give riders the sensation of crouching in an upright position. So whether you're a seasoned rider looking for a thrilling ride or a beginner searching for a reliable motorcycle, the Yamaha MT-07 is sure to impress. Number 3. Royal Enfield Continental GT650. The Royal Enfield Continental GT650 is not just any ordinary motorcycle. It's a powerful and stylish cafe racer that exudes a classic charm that's bound to turn heads. With its retro design and modern features, it's a perfect example of how a motorcycle can be made new while still paying homage to its past. One of the standout features of the Continental GT650 is its rear-set footrests, which provide improved cornering clearance and a forward-leaning position that allows the rider to feel at one with their machine. The GT650's classic horizontal split running through the motorcycle is a beautiful juxtaposition of pure mechanical details and elegant design. The fuel tank and seats sit gracefully above the engine, while the parallel twin engine produces a whopping 47 horsepower and 38 pound-feet of torque. Crafted using premium materials, the all-new switch cubes come with an improved grip and feel, ensuring that you always feel in control of your machine. In conclusion, the Royal Enfield Continental GT650 is a motorcycle that's sure to impress. With its classic charm and modern appeal, it's a machine that's built to take on any challenge and look great while doing it. Number 2. Honda CRF 300. The Honda CRF 300 is not your ordinary motorcycle. It's a dual sport bike that has been specifically designed to take you on an adventure like no other. It is a motorcycle that's built to cater to shorter riders or those who frequently find themselves needing to put their feet down. With a seating position that's 2 inches lower than the standard CRF 300L model, you can expect a comfortable and convenient ride experience that's tailored to your needs. The CRF 300 is packed with 27 horsepower. This motorcycle is a powerful machine that can handle all kinds of off-road terrain and adventure trails. Additionally, the air cleaner and exhaust systems of the CRF 300 have been revised to improve flow and overall performance, ensuring that you'll have an even smoother ride. The CRF 300 is also a budget-friendly option that's perfect for anyone looking for a reliable and capable motorcycle without breaking the bank. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating through rough off-road trails, the Honda CRF 300 is sure to impress you with its impressive performance, handling, and overall ride experience. Number 1. Harley-Davidson Nightster. The Harley-Davidson Nightster is not just any motorcycle. It's a bold and daring statement on wheels. From its sleek, blacked-out finish to its low seat height, this motorcycle is designed to turn heads and make a statement wherever it goes. The Nightster's chassis is perfectly matched to its motor, and the aggressive 24 degrees of rake give it impressive maneuverability in tight spots. This makes it a joy to ride, especially if you're a novice. The Nightster is built around Harley-Davidson's new Revolution Max power plant, which in this case is a 975 kW liquid-cooled V-twin called the Revolution Max 975T. The engine produces a stout 70 feet-pound of torque and 90 horsepower, making it a highly capable machine that is perfect for riders who want to push the limits. In short, the Harley-Davidson Nightster is a motorcycle that is sure to impress anyone who sees it. Its unique style and impressive performance make it a top choice for riders who want to make a statement on the road. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, then make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.